Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. I'm going to update you guys about the latest news that's going around. The new update that's coming from the Ministry of Immigration that was announced last week. So this is a very good news for all of you who are already in Canada. As you guys all know, during the current situation, government is not able to meet all the targets regarding the numbers for immigration, how many candidates they want to bring it in, and this thing is not going to be very clear or very smooth in coming months, as the conditions are getting worse again. It's not only here in Canada, everywhere in the country, everywhere around the world, all the countries are still struggling. So the government has come up with a different plan that the people who are already in Canada give them more chances, more pathway to become permanent resident. If you are an international student, foreign worker, temporary foreign worker, or an asylum seeker who are already in Canada, you may soon see more options to get permanent residence in Canada very soon. So as I mentioned, so what the government plan is, they are going to choose more new federal pilot programs. They will be like for a year or 2 years to meet all those targets for immigration. They didn't give any hint like when it's going to be announced, but the news that has been, or the rumors around, that it might be here in a couple months or 2 to 3 months maximum. So the one option they have told that it could be launching new federal pilot program. That could be some category specific pilot program. So they probably be holding program specific express entry draws that we have already seen in the past. Those were for Canadian experience class and for the PNP candidates, right? There could be some draws like this, or for the federal skilled trade program draws also. They are also planning to modify the express entry CRS system to provide more point for the Canadian experience. If you are already in Canada and you have experience in Canada, and then you probably be given more points than the other candidates who are uh, competing with you from outside Canada. Planning to modify eligibility criteria for federal program, that is like reducing the work experience requirement for the Canadian experience class. Also, there is a plan to extend the length of the temporary work permit durations to give candidate more time to gain the Canadian work experience. They need to be eligible to apply for immigration program such as Canadian experience class. Maybe the postgrad work permit will get more years of uh, work now, or there could be a change when you are getting applying for a work permit. Instead of 2 years, it could be like 3 years, like H1B in US. You will be getting 3 years of visa at one time, or could be more. So these are all the indications or the hints that has been given by the Immigration Ministry last week. So let's see when this will be implemented and what will be included in that, and what will be the criteria they'll be choosing. But this is a very good news for all of you who are already in Canada, and it's gonna be really easy for you. As we always mention that every problem has some kind of solution in it. So as we're going through this rough time at this moment, but this could be a blessing in disguise for some of the candidates who are already here and they're thinking to apply for Canadian permanent residence. So again, if you are an international student, temporary foreign workers, or an asylum seeker who are already in Canada, there will be a good news that's coming very soon for all of you. I wish you guys all good luck and keep you guys updated. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.